No, 626 strange men will bark into my home and break all my useless garbage. No, no, no. That's why I'm not going to be here on that fucking date, motherfucker. Except Mattsy's skateboarding photo not going to be touched because I'm not going to be here on June 26th. You motherfuckers, get off of my goddamn stream and get out of my fucking house right now. No one's going to be here on June 26th. You son of a bitch! No one! Period! Ugh. 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 I'm out of town on June 26th. Don't fucking bother me.